let's review number 1. Starting with number 1, rewrite as an equivalent radical expression. Okay, so we know x is our base, and 4 is going to be our n, which is our exponent, and this is our root. So if I rewrite it, I have x as my base, inside is going to be the 4, which is my exponent, and 9 is my root. Number 2, rewrite as this in the simplest equivalent radical expression. Okay, so again, my base now is 2x. Both of these are my bases. This is my exponent. This is my root. And I refer to this as your top number is in, your bottom number is out. Okay, so if I rewrite it, inside my radical is a 2. The square root, my root is 4, so 4 is out. And then I have 2 bases, but I also have a 3. Both of these, since it's in parentheses, this indicates that they both get an exponent of 3. And it says simplest form. I know 2 to the third power is 8. So root 4, 8, x to the third is my answer. Number 3, we have the base of 7 and x. X is the only letter that has, or number, has an exponent. So 7 is going to be kicked out. 7 is out. I have root 3, because remember, this is my root. This is my exponent. This goes in. This goes out. So I have 2 inside. I'm sorry. X inside is my base, and then 2 is my exponent. Number 4, rewrite as an exponential expression. Again, this is my exponent. This was in. This was out. So my base was k. It is in over out. In over out. So this is my answer. Number 5, I have the base of k, and it asks for me to rewrite it as an equivalent expression, exponential expression. So my base is k. In we have 3. Out we have the root of 3, so I have 3 over 3, but it asks for simplest form. 3 divided by 3 is k to the power of 1. Number 6, rewrite as an exponential expression. Here's my root. Here's my exponent. Now, 2 does have an exponent of 1, so when I rewrite this, my first base is 2 to the power of 1. This is in, this is out. So it's going to be 1 over 4. My next base is going to be x. Inside I have the 7. Outside I have the 4. So I have 7 over 4. All right, here's the application part. This part asks you to write the following expression in the simplest equivalent exponential form, where my first base is x, and it has the 5th power. So this is in, this is out. So when I rewrite it, my first base is x, my exponent is 5, my root is 3. My next base is y, in is my exponent, 3 is my root, so it's 6 over 3. And it says simplest equivalent expression, so I know that when I look at this, this would give me a decimal, but 6 divided by 3 is 2. So if I rewrote this, it'd be x to the power of 5 over 3. Y to the power of 2. Fourth root of 16, x to the 5th power, y to the 7th. All I'm going to do is rewrite in an equivalent exponential form. So I'm going to think of 16, think of what number is going to 16, 4 and 4, but I need a number that repeats 4 times. I keep breaking this up, and I get 2 repeating 4 times. So I have 2 is a group, so it comes out, 2, and then my exponent is x, and x has an exponent of 5. This was in, and this was out. So my exponent over my root, and then the same with y. Y is my next base, 7 is my exponent, over 4. Number 9, I need to think of what number repeats 3 times when I think of 27. I have 9 and 3, and if I keep breaking it up, I have 3 and 3. So this is 3, x has a base, or x has an exponent of 5, so this was in, this was out. 5 over 3, and again, that 5 is my exponent, 3 is my root, y to the power of 2 over my root 3.